Emmanuel. This is my brother Baskin, and this is our first YouTube video. Our channel is going to be called Ready, Set, Play. This is called a Kiwi Crate. They have little projects and science activities inside. Bas, what do you have to say?
I just want to say that I'm not good at clothes, but I like to do them because it's not about the quitting. It's actually about having fun in your family. But I just want to say thank you for my Madrina for getting this.
Alright, let's just start it. Alright, so we're going to just get started. Okay,
Okay, so
book.
yarn. Is this for the guys to pick up?
Yeah, so.
Okay, more yarn. And is this hair? What is this? Haley hair? Okay, what are these? Oh, connectors. Okay, just found one. Hey. What? Eyeball? Oh, they're for the guys to pick up.
Alright, let's do this. So we got all our pieces here and we're ready to start building. Let's
I have to
go.
go to the bathroom.
Let's do this. Take two. Alright, so we got all our pieces ready and we're ready to start building. Let's get building. I really want to play this. Alright, step one. We have to attach the connector. Wait, where is the connector? I'll take that. Alright, so let's see. Attach the connector right over here. Alright, let's test this thing. I want to see what this.
Let's see what this baby can do. Let's try again. Let's try again.
Alright, let's try this again.
What? Hey, it worked. My turn. I'm try.
Grab his ear. Alright, next we're just going to build the arm. It seems pretty easy.
I think it looks great. I actually think it looks great.
Wow! This looks amazing.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I have an idea.
It's like a shark. Can I introduce them how it works? Okay. Okay. So you grab onto something like this. See? And then
Try to
there you
squeeze
go.
Oh, you poof!
Ayo.
Alright, my turn. Alright, so we had our dad cut out little holes in here where we put these little fuzzy prizes. So now that we've finished the claw machine, we're both going to demonstrate how it works. So, Bas, you can do the honors of putting that guy in.
You just put it in through the top.
Then, you take this,
And you grab a prize.
and you
Don't grab my prize.
take it, and
And you drop it.
I got a prize.
My turn. Pull the screen, opens up, and you have to get your prize. Okay.
Yay!